Dear all students of RIT, good evening. My name is Himanshu Agrawal. I am heading HR of the Om Logistics Limited. Om Logistics is the flagship renowned logistics and supply chain company which is working into the country from last 30 years. We are having almost 2000 crores of the turnover. We are having 650 branch offices. We deals in air cargo, we deals in train cargo, and we deals in road cargo. We are having different verticals of the group like in transportation, supply chain, warehousing, inventory management, freight forwarding, container manufacturing, and etc. So it's a very renowned group into the company. Today I am very delighted that we got opportunity to tie up with the RIT, the only NAC A++ accredited institute towards the Uttarakhand. This MOU gives us the lot pleasure towards the RIT as well as to us to being a part and parcel of this group. In this MOU, we will train the students towards the logistics and supply chain management, that students will get the mind-blowing experience how to get job into the logistics. In this course, the student will get the industry academia tie-up, where students will get the lots of opportunity to find out the practical aspects of the logistics and supply chain management, where the students will find out how to grab the opportunity. The students will get the new aura, new curriculum, and new way of thinking how to get the job into the different zone, different verticals, and different aspects of the supply chain management. This MOU has been tied up between the RIT and us to give us the immense pleasure how to find out the new ways of thinking towards the industry academia tie-up, what student will earn and what student will learn. We will collaborate these kind of thinking and get the very well aspects of the logistics and supply chain management. The RIT of the institute, the student of the RIT will get the better opportunity towards the career future, and Om Logistics will get the very better candidate, bright candidate, and the opportunity certificate candidate in the market. We will provide them a curriculum towards the logistic and supply chain management within our college campus as well. Our trainer will teach them, train them. Then we will provide them a summer internship opportunity. We will provide them a final placement opportunity, and we will also help them to get the opportunity within the logistics industry, not only towards our company, but into the entire domain of the logistics and supply chain management. This MOU feels very drastic and fantastic towards the growth of the Indian economy, and we are very blissful and delightful to have a successful MOU with the RIT. Thanks a lot.